In this video, I would like to discuss the promotional or ASI product within Control. The promotional product is really a product that is designed for you to resell goods made by another manufacturer. Often companies may join a group, add specialty, and that's why we're referring it to ASI, but this can really be used by anyone to resell things that you get preset catalogs to order from. The first thing we come to is the type of item. This is just really a category of item that you want to sell. The list here is just the default list from Add Specialty, but you can create your own with your implementer's help. When you choose a particular item group, you'll get the list of items that are in that particular group that you've either purchased or pre-entered into the system in the past. When I add in a component, how many they want, and it may be a number of originals as well if you have multiple prints. If I needed 1,000 of 2 separate pens here. The item color, if there's any trim color, they can just be typed in. As well as if it's a full color image or a spot image, whether it needs to be color matched or not, that image that's being put on it. So it's a red pen with a black image. If I look at the charges for this pen, it knows based off the setup how much the pens are based off the table if it is set up, how much the second color is, and how much the setup charges will be. If we look at the pen setup, you'll notice there's the item type, the part to clone, the new part name if you wanted to create a new one, or you can edit an existing part. Under the promotional item charges, these are actually separate parts. I recommend you get with your implementer if you need more options than the ones are here, but they can be added at any time. It knows that a second color is a certain amount, setup charge is a certain amount, and if there's any additional third color imprint, third-party shipping, any charges, again, if you're looking from a catalog, these would be the additional charges in your catalog. Then how we're pricing these pens, it can work in either two ways. I can say that the cost is something and the price is something. This is a fixed cost, which means all of them are the same price. Whether you order 1 or 500, your costs remain the same. If you're set up on a table-based structure similar to the ASI structure, it's more on a basis of a price and a discount or a cost and a markup. Either one will work. In this case, my cost is a discounted percentage of my price. So if you're ASI, if you're an A or a B or a C, that's kind of the same thing of what discount rate you're at. In this case, I could say that my cost is 50% of my price, which is $1 a piece at a quantity of 1. I could say at a quantity of 100, my cost is 55% and my price is 90 cents a piece, and so forth. You could also, in this same scenario, change that to say that my cost is a certain dollar amount, such as my cost is $1 compared to 90 cents, and my price is either a multiplier, meaning I'm going to mark that up by 2, going to double it, and in this one I'm going to use 1.8, or I could just type in a fixed price, saying this is $2 and this is $1.80. These vendor notes are typically the notes in the catalog that you'd want your employees to see at the time of order. They will appear directly on the main screen. That is the promotional product and the basis of how it works. I recommend you get with your implementer to set up any additional promotional charges that may be needed. Other than that, it should work as directed. Thank you.